Hello friends, and greetings from icy Iceland. Here we are doing the first flight to the volcano from about 800 meters distance, and we will cross the wall of smoke. As you see, about 500 meters away from the volcano there is a smoke wall, but if you fly a bit further, as you see, there are no smokes because simply there is nothing more to burn. It's all burnt already, And then later on I move it on closer to 400 meters to the crater. But we will start flying around the cone around the crater. You'll see how it looks now. Altogether I have 3 drone footages, each about 15 minutes long. And all have been very successful flights, except one with emergency landing, but I recovered the drone. Otherwise, it's incredible what we saw from the drone. You'll see everything, all the lava fields, wherever lava is going, I filmed everything. Absolutely. So this is the crater. You see there is a small crater to the top, which looks like kind of funny a little bit. And it's not active, but current volcano has very fine walls, really refined walls, but they crash to the interior of those walls. It's constantly crashing into the magma, boiling magma. There's only one exit from the crater. You will see it very soon, and lava is exiting through a tunnel, very weird tunnel. You will see it later. This is a spectacular footage of boiling crater. It looks like there are 2 boiling pools inside of there. Maybe 2 fissures inside of the crater, I don't know. But that's how it looks. Magma is not shooting that high for now. Maybe after some days or some weeks it will start making lava jets like it was in 2021, but at the moment we have this just babbling crater with lava boiling inside of the crater and exiting, very similar to Mesmerizing eruption last year. We had the same type of activity, simply boiling and exiting out of the crater, nothing more, and lots of CO2 is emitted into the atmosphere. See, there was a crack, the wall here to the front right, crack it a little bit, and it's always splashing out from the crater. It's a morning view. This is the first flight around 7:30 a.m. 7:30 a.m. and there was nobody at the volcano. Not a single soul. I didn't see anybody when I was there. No, actually there was one person. I saw one person. It was like 2 kilometers, maybe 1 kilometer away from me. I saw him. What he was doing there, I don't know. Otherwise there are no rescue teams, nothing, nobody around the volcano and 1 kilometer around, didn't see anybody. So I was all by myself, and it was kind of a thrilling experience, I would say. On the edge, because you are alone, and it's so early in the morning, nobody's around you. And it was very special to be there. The eruption site had been open to public access this morning at 9 a.m. and you can come and visit it anytime today if you are in Iceland. And by hiking Trail E from the south, you can check the information on the trail at safetravel.is. So I'm glad they opened it and people can see the volcano. It's much easier to hike from the south. No need to hike through the mountainside like I did. Just hike the normal trail by the road, 10 kilometers. I wish you all the best. This is the first part of the first flight. More videos coming soon.